Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review about another detergent powder which can be affordable for everyone. So today I have got this in black and purple color packaging detergent powder, UNIWASH Detergent powder, which has 500 grams of quantity, which will cost you for 50 rupees only. At the top corner it claims that this provides color sign protection plus stain cleaner. So that's what the product claims. And then if you check out at the back side, it's written introducing UNIWASH Detergent with color sign protection plus stain cleaner. UNIWASH is powered with new age molecules that remove dirt and stains effectively from colored as well as white fabrics. It infuses the clothes with a long-lasting meadow fragrance while maintaining their colors and shine for a longer period of time. So guys, you have already heard about the benefits of this detergent powder. This powder maintains the brightness of your colored clothes as well as it keeps the white clothes whiter. Along with that, it also protects the fabrics and color of your clothes. I have also done a research about the ingredients that this detergent powder is processed from the fine, good quality ingredients. That is why it doesn't have any harmful chemicals. It is free from all toxic chemicals. So guys, you can definitely use this powder for your daily laundry routine because it is chemically free and it is also affordable. So this detergent powder can be used both in washing machines or hand wash. And the manufacturer of this UNIWASH powder is made by RSPL Health Private Limited. So if you want to know more about this brand, you can check out on their official website. So friends, that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Then please give it a like, share with your friends and comment down below. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.